What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the Oleap Pilot P200b Pro Open Ear Noise Canceling Bluetooth headset. So, big shout out to Oleap for sending these over for a review. Now, you can pick these up on Amazon. Price is going to be $195.98 for the Type C. Going to be $195.98 for your Type A. As you guys see, these originally retail for $299.98. So you also can apply the 10% discount coupon as well. There's a picture of the headset there. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other features and details. These are the Oleap Pilot P200b Pro. This is a 50 dB ENC headset. Features call noise elimination. You get 108 dB volume, mute button, 270-degree rotated mic, open ear design, IPS5 waterproof, dual connection, which is nice, and you get Bluetooth 5.3 as well. This is an upgraded experience here. You get upgraded chip enabling more AI features. You get the ear hook and headband design for a better fit. You get upgraded drivers, adding 3 dB to the maximum volume. And it's the Bluetooth 5.3. Like I said, the 50 dB call noise elimination, that's going to be good for eliminating background noise. You get a great leap of sound, bass leap technology. Now these feature 16 millimeter dynamic drivers. You're going to get 10 hours of talk time, 16 hours of listening. You get fast charging for 3 hours of talk time from 10 minutes to charge. So those are a few of the features and details. Very nice, man. So my first time working with this company, this is the packaging that it comes in. As you guys see, Oleap 50 dB call noise elimination open ear headphone. And then here's the back. So you guys may want to pause this and read up on some of these specs right here. You guys see. So now we're going to go ahead and open the package up. It's a piece of film over the top of it that I need to cut. And this would be perfect for, people that work in the office, just about anywhere. If you want to take them outside, use them outside, working out, wherever, walking, whatever you want to use these for, these are going to be perfect. Let's go ahead and get the plastic off. I think in future videos, I'm going to just go ahead and take that plastic off, not do it on camera. All right, so here's the packaging. I think this is a sleeve over the top of it. All right, guys, so here's the sleeve coming off. All right, just like that. And then this is what we're presented with right here, Innovation for Better Communication, Oleap, and Oleap Open Ear Bluetooth headset. So let's go ahead and open this up. Very nice presentation here, I'm going to turn it this way so I can get the whole thing in the picture here. Thanks for your support. Right there, scan that to get your 1-year warranty. And they got a nice note on the back that I will read in a bit. And inside of here, first thing that I see, this looks like the actual carrying case and microphone right here. Very nice fabric material. Very nice. Gonna set that over to the side for now, see what else is included. So we get some more paperwork. This is the instructions on how to pair this right there in different languages. You get your user's manual as well. And then let's see what else we get under the bottom of this. There's a box here. I think that's just some filler information. And you also get a nice carrying case right here as well. All right, so I think that is it in this box here. Let's go ahead and see what we get in the actual carrying case. So you got the word Oleap on there. See how we open this up. All right, so opening this up, we do get some instructions here. The quick start guide, letting you know your volume up and down, your multifunction key, and your Type-C charging port. And it gives you some of the key functions there as well. May have to reference that. And then we get the headset here. And I feel like we're missing something else, but I'm going to double check. So you got Oleap right there on the side of it there. You got look like a microphone there. Here's one of the earpiece speakers here. Right there, as you guys see. And then you got the other side with the mic. Now this rotates as well. You got your volume up, volume down, and your power button right there. Your charging port right there as well, type C. This is rubber, and it feels very lightweight. Rubber and plastic. Here it is. We definitely will try this on, let you guys see what this looks like. Gonna set that to the side. And it does seem like I'm missing some cable, the charging cable and stuff like that. Let me check and see if I left something out. And let's see here. So yes, there is a box in here. I think this is the last box. Let's go ahead and put this back over to the side like we had it. And let's see what's in here. So USB and the dongle. So we get our USB charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. That's to charge the headset up. And also in here, you're going to have your Bluetooth dongle. Let's go ahead. All right, so type A, Bluetooth dongle. And also in the packaging, you get a couple of little wind muffs here to go over the edge of the mic. Over the mic looks like this. If you're outside or just somewhere where it's very windy, and when you would drop these on like this to, help with the wind and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get these paired up with a device, a couple of devices, then we'll check it out and see what it sounds like. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have the headphones connected to my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, but you can use these with Apple or any Android phone, tablet, laptop, or whatever you want to use them for. Now, I'm using these connected by Bluetooth. It was very easy to connect these to Bluetooth, and I'll show you what it looks like. So here it is, Oleap Pilot P200b Pro. And if you go in, this is what you'll be able to control. You can talk on calls and audio. You can select what type of device, headphone, speaker, other, right there. And also you can rename them, disconnect, and unpair. So that is what you get with that. And the buttons work great on this. I haven't had any issues with the buttons. Over here, I forgot to mention earlier, this is your mute button right here. So if you're wearing these on this is going to be on your right side, so you can easily mute calls like that. So let's take a look at the button functionality here. Works great. Let's get into some music here. Let's go back here. And I was playing some selections here. So let's go ahead and start this up. So this is playing. Show you guys that you can pause this. So get that out of the light here. Let you guys see that you can pause it by pushing the middle button. So that's pause. I'm going to restart it. As you guys see, you can skip tracks to the next forward and reverse just by holding down 2 seconds. It goes to the next track, and you can also do reverse by holding the volume down. So the controls work great. So now I'm going to put these on, let you see how they sound and how they look on my head. All right, guys, so this is the onboard mics on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I do not have the headset on yet. We will try this with the headset. Now, I'm showing you this so you can compare how the onboard mic sound in comparison to the headset. Now, I'm also going to be playing some music on my on my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And so this is what it sounds like. Now, those are supposed to block out a lot of the background noise. So you hear how it sounds now, and we'll compare. I'll play the same song and let you guys hear how they sound and how much sound they will block out from my phone. So let's go. Okay, guys, so now I'm using the Oleap Pilot P200b microphone. This is what it's going to sound like right here. You guys see I am using it. You can rotate this up out of the way as well when you're not using like so. And this is what it looks like on my head. Very comfortable. I can shake my head. They're not going to come off. Let's try the mute button to see if it works. And it gives you an audio that it is muted. So I don't know if that came across on video or not, but this is what it looks like. And it's pretty quiet in here right now. I'm going to put some sound in here and see if it in the background and see if it will mute the sound. Okay, guys. So now I have my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL playing music in the background. Have the volume about halfway up, letting you guys see how it sounds with something, in the background noise. I'm not going to know how this sounds until I listen to it in post. But yeah, man, hopefully it sounds good. So let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys, so I have my laptop out here. This is the camera on it. Onboard microphones let you guys see how they sound in comparison to the Oleap. And I'm going to be using the Type A dongle. So let's go ahead and plug that in. All right, guys. So now I have the Oleap Pilot P200b Pro plugged into my laptop using the Type A dongle. This is what it's going to sound like here. There is a little bit of noise going on in the background. The AC unit is running. You guys let me know how it sounds. Let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys. So this has been my look at the Oleap Pilot P200b Pro wireless Bluetooth headset. I think they sound excellent, man. They did a great job of blocking out the background noise that I had going on there. Very lightweight, comfortable. You're going to get some great battery life. You can also rotate this 270 degrees and move it out of your way. Going to be good for going to the gym, taking conference calls, working out, wherever you may want to need to use these. They didn't feel like they were going to fall off very easily. The control buttons are very easy to press and operate right there. Fast forward, reverse, and things like that work great. The sound for us listening to music and watching movies and things like that. They have excellent sound. Now these are not going to be like the ones that go in your inner ear, but these sound great, and you're going to be always aware of what's going on around you because of the type of headset this is. Making phone calls were great. No one knew anything different. I could hear them well, and they could hear me well. Like I said, you're going to get some great battery life as well. Made out of a rubber material that should last a long time as well. So I'll definitely drop the product purchase link down below if you guys want to pick these up. Will H. I'm out.